Panoorin nyo. Gaano kasinungaling ni Trililing doon sa mga pira na nila Sara Duterte. Oh, tapos ngayon, sabi niya 2016 pa daw. Eh sabi ng AMLA, hindi naman sila nagbigay ng ganun. Panoorin nyo. Wala talaga, puro kasi, ay nako, puro sinungaling. Ay nako, grabe talaga. Sinisiraan talaga ng sinisiraan kasi takot. Pag naging presidente yan, nako. O, panoorin nyo.
Bank accounts na sinasabi ko na naglalaman ng mahigit 2 bilyong piso ang bank account ni Sara Duterte at ni Mans Carpio, mag-asawa.
Paano nyo alam
Kaya
yun?
pagka lumabas yan, ha?
Paano nyo alam yung bank account?
Oh, bank secrecy, sir.
In 2016 ko pa ho nilalabas yan.
Okay. Base doon sa
Diba?
dati pa.
26. Oo, tapos na-confirm na yan mismo ng ombudsman.
In the last hearing conducted 13 November 2024 of the Quad Committee, you were required to authenticate documents submitted by former Senator Trillanes purported to show money trails linked to drug proceeds.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Have you submitted such to the committee?
Mr. Chair, in 2016, the Anti-Money Laundering Council issued a public statement which denies that we are the source of the documents or information shown by Senator Trillanes in 2016. And in September 2017, Mr. Chair, the AMLC also issued another public statement denying that we are the source of the documents and information attached by Senator Trillanes in the complaint he filed before the Ombudsman. And in the same public statement, the AMLC denied that we furnished the Office of the Ombudsman such documents in relation to the complaint by the by Senator Trillanes, Mr. Chair.
In other words, AMLAC denied that the documents presented by the former Senator Trillanes did not originate from your office.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Now, earlier din, when AMLAC was here, AMLAC said that the documents did not come from them.
Yes.
Yung present mong bank documents. But in earlier public pronouncements that were also made or also linked to you, you also said that it was AMLAC who gave you access to these documents.
No, wala po akong sinabing gano'n, Mr. Chairman, kasi that would be illegal. No, that would be illegal. So, ang sinabi ko po, merong nagbigay sa akin ng mga dokumento na yon at chinek po namin in our own ways. So, when we validated it, ginamit namin. I used it as evidence to file a plunder case against Duterte. At yung investigation na yon ng Ombudsman, validated yung documents. Kaya po nung sinabi ko kanina, yung open source, sabi po ng Ombudsman, yun pong nakuha nila na dokumento sa AMLAC matches the contents of my document.
The AMLC denied that we furnished the Office of the Ombudsman such documents in relation to the complaint by Senator Trillanes, Mr. Chair.
Kaigit na.